If you want to have more than 4 hours of battery life on your phone, this video is perfect for you. What's up YouTube? The developer with you. In this video we will follow some easy steps to get insane battery on your Galaxy. Okay, go to settings then connection. And scroll down to cloud settings. This is the most important step. Here we will change some default setup on backup settings. And uncheck auto backup because this should save some battery on your phone. When that it's done, go to display settings, another important step. And here, you have to uncheck the auto brightness. And sometimes, I recommend to use the blue light filter. Here, it's not really important to change the resolution, but keep it in the middle. Okay, now go right down to always on display. It's not really nice to disable it, but if it is, that should save some battery life. Okay, now scroll down to general management. It's strange, but we have to change something. We have to uncheck the diagnostic info to keep it always on sleep. And now let's go to device maintenance then to battery section. Here we have to uncheck the fast charging option because this option reduces the battery capacity and can cause some damages. You can use it only when it is on emergency. The final step is with wallpapers and themes. I recommend for you to set a full black wall. That should keep some pixels always on sleep and save some battery life. Keep it without showing effects. Okay guys, if you have any question let me know. A comment will do the trick. And let me know what kind of video you want to see next. If you liked, please press the like button. And if this is your first time here and you want to get more, please subscribe and you will be appreciated. See you next time and take care of yourself.